In this video, we're going to show you how to replace rear wiper blades on your Subaru Outback. Let's get started. Lift up the rear wiper arm, pull the top of the wiper towards you. It'll swivel out. Remove the wiper. There's a detent on either side of the wiper arm. This is going to correspond to the little pins in the wiper. Get the arm installed into the wiper, twist down, and you'll feel it click into place. Turn the arm to the glass, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ, the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.